These are our ingredients for our quick maple syrup cake. You have a guest coming in tonight. What are we going to do? We don't have dessert. I have a very quick good thing I can cut. I have a quick recipe that you can make. For example, I have a new neighbor that just came in next door. What am I going to bake for this neighbor? This is a quick maple cake recipe. This recipe does not need a mixer. You could mix all those ingredients by hand. Takes a couple minutes, that's all. You can also eliminate the grounded nuts inside if you'd like. This cake is perfect as a housewarming gift. It's also perfect when you have a new neighbor in town and you want to present them with something sweet. It takes a few minutes to make this cake. My sister Esti gave me the recipe. Thank you, Esti, all the way from Israel. We love you. So after 40 minutes, it came out of the oven. Look how beautiful this looks. And we're going to poke holes so that we can put our maple syrup inside the cake. Look how the nuts stayed on top. Thank you for joining me.